Umengameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa uyakhankasa eNorthwest. Ubengena umuzi nomuzi eqomisa amavoti eTlokwe enezinselele zokuhlinzekwa ngezidingo ngqangi.
We are going to fight corruption and root out all those elements who are corrupt. We want councils, municipality councils, that will put the interests of our people first. We want you to choose these types of councillors, Rufane and Laurel, who are going to put the interests of the people of our municipality first. And that is why we say, we as the African National Congress, we are renewing ourselves. We are becoming an ANC of Nelson Mandela once again, an ANC of Oliver Tambo once again. We are going to make sure that the founders of the ANC become proud once again of the African National Congress. So it is for that reason that we say we admit the mistakes that we have made. We admit the mistakes we've made, but we are going to change, and the change has started. We are making sure that we renew ourselves. Those who are involved in corrupt activities will step aside, and we will make sure that those who will work for the ANC are the ones who are going to put the interests of the people first. Our people don't want corrupt people in the African National Congress. Our people also want a united ANC. And they want a united ANC here, also in the Northwest. We want a united ANC. The fighting amongst us must stop, and it must stop now.